If you're worried someone's stalking your Instagram, stay calm. You can't see every profile visitor, but you can spot patterns and protect yourself. Here's a fast, effective plan. First, understand the limits. Instagram does not show a list of everyone who views your profile. The only places you can see people who looked at your content are story viewers, live viewers, and who interacts with your posts, likes, comments, saves, and DMs. Use those tools first. Step 1. Check your story viewers. Open a story and swipe up, and anyone who keeps re-watching your stories is worth noticing. If the same accounts show up often, save screenshots and timestamps. Step 2. Review engagement, likes, comments, saves, and DMs. Repeated likes on old posts or multiple alternate accounts liking the same posts can signal someone creating alts to follow you. Step 3. Use account activity. Go to Settings, then Security, then Access Data. Look for suspicious logins or unknown devices. If you see logins from places you don't recognize, change your password and enable two-factor authentication immediately. Step 4. Audit followers. If your account is public, switch to private while you investigate. Remove or block accounts that are creepy or repeatedly invasive. Use Restrict if you want to limit interaction without alerting them. Step 5. Document everything. Save screenshots, dates, and messages. This matters if you need to report harassment to Instagram or the authorities. If this helped, like and subscribe for more high-impact social media safety tips. Stay safe, stay in control.